Assalamu alaikum friends, hello guys, hello viewers. Once again, welcome to back to our channel. Crochet lovers, so friends, how are you? I hope I will be may almighty. Keep you happy, keep you home in every day, and may you continue to enjoy like this Amin. So friends, today I will share with you the very beautiful, amazing, stylish crochet, handmade, hand-knitted crochet gloves designs ideas collection. Beautiful crochet gloves, beautiful designs, beautiful patterns, very amazing, different colorful crochet, handmade, hand knitted, hand gloves designs ideas collection. Beautiful designs, beautiful patterns, beautiful colors, beautiful contrast, beautiful pearls, beautiful Victorian and laces, amazing, different colorful crochet gloves designs ideas collection. Before starting the video, I request all of you to subscribe my channel first, and also be sure to follow, press the bell icon. You can see very beautiful and amazing designs. Shorty people in it, all the designs that I am sharing with you today are new designs brought to your channel in the first time. You can also buy to the market about some designs. You can get many ideas from my videos. So friends, video is very helpful and useful. So I will keep sharing similar designs with my dear friend, and inshallah. Be sure to let us know in the comment box how you like our video if you want to watch fashion any videos. And if you guys want to, you can take a screenshot from my videos and show it to someone else, and you can make a similar design for yourself. This type of design is very popular in the country and girls love such clothes. So friend, today video is amazing. Every videos are lovely designs. Thank you watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Take care. Good luck. Bye bye.